Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be animating my channel's mascot. I call myself the king of the pencil. I still didn't come up with a name for this guy. If you guys got any suggestions, drop me a comment. That'll be a good look. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to show you all how you can do some animation on Procreate. First and foremost, with any animation, before you even start, you want to make sure you storyboard it. And even if you don't have much drawing skills, your storyboard does not need any kind of major details in it. It's just a quick concept. And if you look here at the storyboard I did, it's just 9 panels. And the animation I'm doing is just to get you guys to like, comment, or subscribe. So it's pretty short, but I still storyboard it and I put the main parts in there. You know, the character that I have is looking straight forward, but for the first part of the storyboard, I'm gonna need him sideways. And the first part here, he's smacking the like button, it's spinning. Then he moves on to the comment, and I'm gonna have him draw the lines in, and then he's dropping down after that, clicking the subscribe button, bouncing off to the side, and then he lands right next to all 3 of them. So that's the concept I had. But once you have the storyboard, that's your map. So you can have it in your head, but you just need to at least get the ideas out, and that helps you, makes life much easier. Yes, and before we get into that, I just wanted to show you guys a little quick tutorial on Procreate. If you wanted to follow along, if you had something you wanted to try a quick animation with, you bring in the image you have, which is my character here. And if you look here, I have him in a group with one other layer, right? And this is what I wanted to show you guys very quickly. Whatever you add onto the subsequent layer under him, I'm just going to do something very quickly, right? Just to show you guys. Say I added some arms here or something. That's on another layer. This is in a group. To start an animation in Procreate, you want to change it from a regular file. Go to Canvas here, and you turn on Animation Assist. And once you click that, you see a timeline comes here at the bottom. So every other layer after this first one gets added to the timeline, and that creates the animation. If you are familiar with how animation works, you can click on each one and change the duration, how much you want it to hold on that particular layer within the timeline, and you take it from there as you build out your animation. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys the build up and how I created this animation following the storyboard I just showed you guys. All right, so let's go. With that being said, we're gonna move right in to my time-lapse video of me creating this animation, and then we're gonna end it off with the world premiere of the animation. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys are following along, make sure your character that you bring into Procreate is a PNG file with a transparent background. It needs to be on its own layer without a background. That's why mine has the black background behind my character, because it has no background. Remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated.